Today, we are going to learn how to use Python code inside Excel. Let's say that we have an horizontal database and we need to transform it into a vertical database to work better with the data. First, we are going to write the formula for Python code and select our entire database. Then we will name the table as df. As you can see, the Python formula will give us a data frame that can be changed to Excel value in order to see the content inside that data frame. Now we will use the melt function in order to reorganize the database. This code will define a new data frame called df melted, which will be the df data frame reorganized. The ID vars will become department, accounts, and vendor. The var name will be month, and finally, the value name will be amount. T-month will be display as a date time, and we will add a data type columns, saying that this information will be actual figures. We now have a new data frame, and we can expose the value by changing to Excel values. After a few seconds, we get our new database to work with. We can check the January values, making a filter in our new database. As you can see, the values are matching, and this will be updated automatically each time our original database is changed. For example, I will change the vendor name to Claudio and copy that data to the end of the database. Take a look what happens with our Python data frame. It changed within a few seconds. Well, this is all for today. I hope this tip will be useful for your daily routine. Thanks, and follow me for more advices.